Amanda, we love your commercials, but I think it's time to expand our talent base and see if there are any other members of the Logan Services family who are ready to be stars.
So what are you thinking?
We hold an open audition.
Okay, let's see what they got.
Home should be a comfortable place, but sometimes it's filled with rooms that are too hot, too cold.
Your furnace could be costing you money. Tax credits are now available on heating and air conditioning. Yay! The home of fast, friendly service. Logan Services!
Schedule your estimate now. Fast, friendly services. Logan Services.
So, maybe we just stick with you.
Yeah, I think that's for the best. We're the home of fast, friendly service, Logan Services.